Okay, welcome to another amazing mind-blowing tutorial. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you click on the notification button to receive notification whenever I upload a new mind-blowing tutorial videos. So now, what are we learning here? I noticed that oftentimes we want to make sticky header in our WordPress website, and most times we don't know how to go about that. So many of us tend to use CSS code, but here I discovered a plugin that can really help you. In just few clicks you make your word sticky header. So how do you do that? First thing is, here I have Ocean WP free theme installed. So now I can just go to for me to do this, I can just install my new plugin, then activate my new plugin. So here I have Ocean WP, but this is actually working for all theme. Whatever theme you install, once you want to make a sticky header, this is working for all theme. So let's check this out, how to do this. So just come to plugins, come to add new, and then I can just search for my sticky my sticky it will show right here. So just type my sticky. Can you see? Just install this plugin. It's being used by 100,000. Can you see? So activate. You don't need to pay for this, though it has a pro version. So once you activate, it's going to pop here. So we don't need this. We don't actually need this. What we need is this sticky menu. So just click on sticky menu. Now here you are required to put in your site ID or class. How do I get my site ID or class? Let me come to my website. This is my website. So can you see I have actually used this plugin just right now before I start this tutorial. So I've used this plugin. So can you see that's why it's actually showing. So how do I get, this is my header here, right here. So how do I get my header? So for me to do that, just right click, then click on inspect right here. Then once you click on inspect, just make sure you click on this mouse cursor right here. So once you click on this mouse cursor, over your mouse over this header. Can you see that? So once I place my mouse on this header, I just click on it. So can you see this code right here? Can you see this ID equals to site header? So because my ID is site header, then this is my class minimal header. So I can make use of the ID, I can make use of the class name. So right here now I made use of the ID. So you can place in your ID. So for ID you just put in a hash at the front. You just put in a hash at the front. Then if you want to make use of this class name minimal header, you make use of just put in your minimal header and put in a dot at the front. So that signifies that is a class, and our hash signifies that is an ID. So now whether you want to do desktop or mobile, this is for upgrade. So but for this is working on both mobile and desktop. So you don't have option to choose. So if you want it to slide in just like this, let me show you. If you want it to slide in just like this, once I scroll down, can you see sliding? If you want a sliding, you can choose a sliding. Then if you want fade, you can use fade. Then if you want to make it visible at maybe a certain pixel, you can actually make use of that. Then disable on small screen. So now instead of disabling on device mobile or desktop automatically, so if you know the pixel size width of the screen, so you can make use of this to disable. Then make visible at home page. If you set this to 0, so it will use the initial make visible on the scroll value. So if you when you are scrolling, whatever pixel you want to, when someone has scrolled to a particular pixel, whatever uh, stuff you want it to show, you can just input it here. Then your transition time, this is 0.3 seconds, so you can change it. Then your sticky opacity, you can reduce it, you can increase it. So my sticky background color, can you see this is red? So I told you I just made use of this not quite long. Can you see red? Can you see that? So I can just make use of another color. Maybe I can use blue. Then I can use my sticky text color to be white. It means that my home, about, my menu also will be white, wherever. So that's all you need to do in making your what sticky header. All you just have to do is scroll down and what save. So once I save, then I come to my website. I actually open the page. Okay, I think this is the page. So once I reload and I scroll down, can you see it has changed to blue because I made use of what color blue right here? Can you see that? So can you see my sticky header is what working fine? This is working for what all team, whatever team. Just make sure you get in the header ID or the what header class name. Then input it there. In few clicks, you've made your what sticky header in what any WordPress thing. So that's all for the this tutorial. See you in the next one, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, drop a comment for me in the comment section. So see you in the next amazing tutorial.